Pictographs by Teaching is a Work of Heart.
In our first lesson, I taught you how to gather data. Now we're going to take that data and put it into a pictograph. We gathered information from our friends to find out what types of pets they had. We found out how many dogs, rabbits, cats, and even goats they had. Now we're going to take that data and make a pictograph. We're going to use sidewalk chalk again in order to make our pictograph. Now we're going to take that information and we're going to make a pictograph to represent that data. As you can see, we have the title on our pictograph. We have each of the categories: dogs, rabbits, cats, and goats. And we have the key. And this represents each pet is equal to 1 vote. So the next thing we're going to do is draw a picture next to each type of animal to represent the data that we've already gathered. We gathered information about how many of our friends have dogs as pets. So we found out that the total was 9. Now we're going to represent that information on our pictograph by drawing 9 pictures of dogs. So now you can see that there are 9 dogs drawn on our pictograph to represent 9 dogs that people have as pets. Now we're going to look at our next piece of data. When we gathered information from our friends, we found out that 7 of them had rabbits. So for our pictograph, to represent that data, we're going to draw 7 rabbits. Okay, we added the pictures of our rabbits. You can count and see that there are 7 rabbits on our pictograph. Now we're going to look at our data from our chart that we created, and that tells us that there were 4 cats. Now we're going to put that information on a pictograph by drawing 4 pictures of cats. You can see that we have added 4 pictures of cats to represent 4 cats as pets. Now we're going to look at our data, and we can see that there were 3 goats as pets. So we're going to draw 3 pictures of goats to represent that data. Now we've added our goats to our pictograph. You can look at our pictograph and be able to identify the data from this graph. We could see that there were 3 goats, 4 cats, 7 rabbits, and 9 dogs.
Thanks for learning about pictographs with us.